Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of verification code not sending on the application of RedNote. You should just follow me step by step to fix that problem. In the first, we will go to this application of RedNote as you see here. Then in this page, you go to login sign as you see here. Then in this page, you will click here to enter your phone number. But before that, you will choose country code. For example, for United States, you will choose +1 as you see here and you will add it. But if you have the problem of verification code not sending, then you will check if your phone number is correct. If it's not working with you this solution, then you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of RedNote and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will return again to the application of RedNote. You will add your phone number and you will check if your phone number is correct, and then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.